Hi everyone, welcome to my video. Today's video I just want to encourage you. If you're thinking of having your own garden, you don't need to hesitate. These things, it doesn't take time to grow. I don't know, me, I derive joy seeing them growing. This is not how it was before. It has really improved. Although the weather we are in is a very harsh weather now, but I've been watering it. You can see it's kind of, although some parts have dried up due to the weather, but this one is still flourishing. I was amazed seeing this, my aloe vera. You can see about 6 of them growing up from the root. Wow. So I'll need to cut off this other leaf that is blocking them so that they will get light, sunlight. So I will cut off this one that I'm holding.
Each a fairy tender touch of green and gold. In my garden tales are told. Garden glow, garden shine, herbs and plants so divine. From the earth, love does flow. In the garden, watch it grow. Garden glow, garden shine, herbs and plants so divine. From the earth, love does flow. In the garden, watch it grow. Garden glow, garden shine, herbs and plants so divine. From the earth, love does flow. In the garden, watch